Bill Gates developed the new technology. Today, when we look back, he was a sophomore, second year in college, just like many of you. And then with a senior undergrad student called Allen, they get together. You see what they did that time. So Bill Gates and Paul Allen said that, can we somehow advance or change or modify basic language such that we can use it not only just for large computers, but for microcomputers? You see, it's not difficult. If you look back, of course, it's very, very easy. But that time could be difficult. Not all attempts are successful. You try to do 10 things, maybe you fail 9 times, 9 things, but it doesn't matter. If you try 10, if one is successful, that's enough. From all these examples, you don't just look at their success. Don't just look at their award prizes, Nobel prizes. You learn how they could do this. Can I do something similar? Yeah, that's even more important. Start from today. Don't wait until 2 years later or 10 years later. The very first step is always to start right now. Try to get it started as early as possible. You have seen that it's not so difficult though. It's possible for you to do.